Continue the chapter tissue. We have been discussing about animal tissues. There are 4 types of animal tissues. They are epithelial, muscular, connective and nervous. Epithelial tissue we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about connective tissues. Connective animal tissue is classified into areolar connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, fluid connective tissue and skeletal connective tissue as well as dense connective tissues. What is the meaning of connective tissue? The word itself defines the meaning. It binds the tissue, binds the things, binds the materials. It protects the body parts below the skin, between muscle and skin, which is connected tissue is connected. This connective tissue binds 2 parts or 2 organs. Now we discuss different connective tissues. First connective tissue is areolar loose connective tissue. You know that our building is made up of brick. Between the brick, 2 bricks are connected by cemented. No? The same way here also it gives, the connective tissue gives the same meaning, which connect 2 organs or 2 parts. This areolar loose connective tissue is found in the skin, in the internal organs of vertebrate, and also it allows the organ to expand. That is what we could move these hands, because under the skin we can find such a type of areolar connective tissue which allow us to move. It also forms a protective covering for muscles, because over the muscle under the skin this layer is found. These cells are embedded in matrix. This matrix may be solid, liquid or jelly-like materials. Within this matrix we can find this type of tissues. These type of loose connective tissues, between the cells there are intercellular space. That's why it is called loose connective tissue. That is the reason we move our hands or stretch our hands or legs. Whereas dense connective tissue, dense areolar connective tissue, it is found throughout the body. Since it is dense areolar connective tissue, there is very less space between the cells. Its function is to packing and binding materials for most of our organs. Tendons is the other connective tissue which connect muscle and bone. The matrix present in is fibers, proteins, etc. Tendons are strong but not elastic. Ligaments are another connective tissue which connect between bones. 2 bones are connected by this ligament connective tissue. It also made of protein and elastin like these materials. Because of presence of this elastin material in ligaments which help us to be stretched our body part. Now tell me the function of connective tissue. Connective tissue binds, support and protect our body parts, as well as fill spaces and also stores fat, and also it helps to transport materials. Next comes adipose connective tissues. This adipose tissue is of fat cells. What is the use of this fat? It provides energy and acts as a cushion for many internal organs. It is located just beneath the skin, and the tissue acts as an insulator. What is the function of insulator? You know, polar bear under the skin, these tissues are present, fats are present, which helps them to survive in cold temperature. The same condition here also, which maintain our body temperature. Because under the skin this adipose tissue is present along with the areolar tissue. Adipose tissue is filled with the fat, which provide energy, and also it acts as an insulator which reduces heat loss by the skin or through the skin. This tissue also found along the or around the kidneys and eyeball, which act as cushion for those internal main organs. The next connective tissue is skeletal connective tissue, which includes cartilage and bone. Cartilage skeletal tissue is filled with flexible matrix, that means jelly-like matrix, which helps to provide flexibility to the organs. The speciality of this organ is blood vessels are absent in this type of tissues. Cartilage connective tissue is found in the nose and external ear and in bone joints. That is the reason if we get injury on this nose or this ear, it takes long time to heal due to the absence of blood vessel or blood cell, or we can say lack of blood supply. Next skeletal connective tissue is bone, which is hard and not flexible tissue. It is porous and hard and rigid. The matrix of bone contains collagen fibers and mineral deposits like calcium phosphate, magnesium carbonate, and fluoride ions are present in this. Now we are going to discuss two kind of fluid connective tissue. They are blood and lymph. They can be called as vascular tissue. You know that blood is a connective tissue because its matrix is very liquid, and the liquid matrix is plasma, water, protein, gases, organic and inorganic solids that flow to all part of the body. In blood cell, in blood tissue, it has RBC, WBC and platelet, these all present. Whereas lymph also the same like blood but except red blood cell. Red blood cell is absent in lymph. The same way it also has liquid matrix, and liquid matrix carries plasma, water, protein and the solvents, inorganic and organic solvents. The same like blood, it also having all the elements. There are three types of cells present in the areolar tissue. They are fibroblast, macrophages and mast cells. Fibroblast helps to synthesize proteins like collagen and elastin, whereas macrophages destroy foreign substance which enter inside. Now tell me, what is the fluid or liquid connective tissue? Blood is the fluid or liquid connective tissue.